going down? What's going down, you ask? What's going down is I made a mistake 2 years ago and bought Electrolux appliances. Thought they were good. I was wrong. I was wrong. The 7th repair in 2 years, I think. Seventh repair. Some of them are major repairs too. I think this one's going to be a minor repair. Because, yeah, we didn't slide these in far enough. You're actually under the part that has to come off. So we'll have to tilt it up and you gotta slide them in a little bit farther.